Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SHIP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the red line annotations are coming from. And I'm going to go ahead and delete this level out from here. Sure, that level up there still does pertain, but after today's price movement, that level is not really that relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. So as far as levels of support are concerned, whoops, let me try that again. Wow, I am struggling. I'll get it this time. There we go. So as far as levels of support are concerned, right there at 14.5 cents is going to be the level that we're after today. That's become very, very clear. Several times, the price has gotten down around that area. And each and every time, that level has done a great job of holding strong. So very clearly, that's going to be the initial area of support. And preferably speaking, that's really the level that you really do want to see hold strong. And I'm not going to quite go as far as saying that if the price drops below that level, the entire chart is epically destroyed or anything like that. But the reason why that level, I would say, is very important is if the price were to go down there and then just continue on down, well, at that point in time, what you're starting to, do is have the price go back to where it was before that big breakout movement right there occurred. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly the strongest sign of strength or anything like that. But as of right now, that's not what's played out. But that is why I would consider that a relatively important area of support going forward. Now, if there is some sort of return back to the upside, at that point, nothing new here to report. I've talked about this level several times before, but 16.5 cents would be that first key level of resistance, where if there is going to be any sort of breakout to get back up to the 18 and 19s, that'll be that first bridge that needs to be crossed. But all in all, rough day today. Not a train wreck of a day, but now it's time for the price to try to consolidate out and move higher again. So let's see what happens with it on Thursday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.